So I've just unboxed a fruit box from Morrisons, and this is the £45 British box. So I'm hoping that it'll be a little bit better than the fruit box was. So I've got my scissors now. Let's see if we can get into that. Ooh. It's like Christmas, isn't it? But better. So you can definitely eat everything that's in here. Right. Baby portobello mushrooms, they look very nice. Okay. Cauliflower. That looks good, that's a good size. This year there's been a real shortage of good sized cauliflowers. I don't know if it's something to do with the weather when they were planted, but that's really nice. It's white, it's creamy. Look, really good. We like cauliflower. Some large fine tomatoes, yeah, they look good. Leeks. See, I'm not too fussed about the best before dates on the vegetables because they seem to last a long time if you put them in the fridge. The trouble I find with fruit is that if it goes off, it's just inedible, you can't use it at all, whereas at least vegetables you can always cut out the bad bit and carry on. But bag of carrots, yep. So bag of carrots. Oh, a red cabbage. Another red cabbage. Got a ripper for red cabbage here that my mother gave me. So there'll be lots of red cabbage this week, darling. And some onions. Yep, they look perfectly adequate. And baby potatoes. My daughter will like those, she likes potatoes. And here we've got some packaged meat. She's running out of space here. Let's put that on the floor. Ooh, we've got 2 bags. There's a little bit of liquid on that. I don't think that's great, but hopefully nothing too nefarious has gone on there. Let's cut it on the top. And that's nicely wrapped in fleece. Oh my goodness me. Wow. That's a lot of meat. Wow. So we've got 2 ribeye steaks. 5th of March date on those. Some dry cure back bacon, unsmoked, that looks really nice. 7th of March on that one. Butcher's Choice chicken thigh fillets, 21st of Feb on that, that's pretty good. Oh look, ice packed, not even melted. Some loin steaks, excellent, 22nd of Feb on those. Ooh, lamb chops, 21st of Feb on those. British beef mince, 21st of Feb on that. And that is 12% fat. Normally I would buy 5% fat meat, but so we're buying blind off this box. And some sausages, again 21st of Feb. Now I think undoubtedly some of those are going to have to go in the freezer because we can't eat, it's got the 17th of February today. So 18, 19, 20, 21. So we've got 4 days in which to eat most of that apart from the steak. So we don't eat meat every day because I try and put some vegetarian, some vegan recipes in just to mix it up a bit and possibly a bit of fish as well. But so some of that's going to have to go in my freezer. But ultimately I think that's really good. So in here, another bag. Ooh! Is the dairy, wow! Gosh, so we got 2 pints of British milk, 24th of Feb on that, that's great, we'll use that. Some mature cheddar, that looks interesting. Oh, red Leicester, I like red Leicester. It's quite a distinctive flavour, but that's really nice. 23rd of March, yeah, there's a time on that. Pack of British salted butter, which is excellent. So that's good, yeah, some frozen packs. And there we have it. So here we go, this is our £45 worth of Morrisons food that I just literally clicked on and they delivered by DPD 2 days later, which I think is pretty good. I'm quite impressed with that haul.